Let's be honest. For most men over 50, coffee is the only thing keeping the engine running in the morning. You wake up, pour that first cup, and for a brief moment, it feels like life is back on track. But then, 2 hours later, the crash hits. You feel drained, unfocused, and a little bit flat inside, not just tired, empty. And here's the truth. Coffee might wake up your body, but it's quietly exhausting your masculinity. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, a urologist studying male vitality. What I'm about to tell you started right in my own home. My husband was like many patients. He worked hard, but the spark was fading. Mornings were slow, evenings even slower. And yet every day, he'd cling to his coffee like it was the last bit of energy he had left. Until one morning, I decided to test something. Not a drug. Just a simple, natural addition, a single teaspoon of something he'd never expect. Within days, I could see the difference. He was more alert, more upbeat. Even his eyes looked brighter. But what shocked me most wasn't the extra energy. It was what happened at night. Let's just say, I ended up asking him to slow down. And no, this isn't some miracle pill. It's pure, natural biochemistry, working with your hormones instead of against them. Because here's the reality. After 45, your body changes. Your morning coffee spikes stress hormones, crushes testosterone, and leaves you feeling more anxious than alive. That's why I call it the coffee trap. It tricks your brain into feeling powerful while your body is slowly burning out underneath. But here's the twist. You don't have to quit coffee. You just have to change how you drink it. By adding 1 natural teaspoon to your morning mug, you can turn that crash into sustained energy, that anxiety into calm focus, and that sluggish feeling into something you haven't felt in years. This tiny ritual takes less than 5 seconds. No pills. Just one intentional choice each morning. And by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly what that teaspoon is and how it reignited the spark not only in my husband's day, but in our entire relationship. So before you reach for that next plain cup of coffee, listen carefully, because what I'm about to explain might change how you start every morning for the rest of your life. Let's start with what's really happening inside your body every single morning. When you wake up, especially after 50, your hormones are already working against you. Your cortisol, your main stress hormone, spikes sharply at dawn. That's normal. It's nature's alarm clock. But here's the catch. If you didn't sleep well or you're carrying stress, that cortisol doesn't settle down. It stays high. And when cortisol stays high, testosterone stays low. They work like a seesaw. The higher your stress hormones rise, the more your masculine drive gets pushed down. Now, what's the first thing most men do? They pour a strong cup of coffee. They think it'll fix the problem. But caffeine doesn't balance the system, it shocks it. It triggers your adrenal glands to release more cortisol and adrenaline. That's why you feel that rush. That instant, I'm awake, feeling. But inside, your body is going into fight or flight mode. Your blood sugar spikes. Your heart rate climbs. You get tunnel vision, and then 2 hours later, boom, you crash. And during that crash, your testosterone dips even lower. You reach for a second cup, or worse, a sugary snack. And the cycle continues. Stress, spike, crash. You end up feeling anxious, moody, and mentally foggy. Here's what most men don't realize. This pattern doesn't just mess with your energy. It rewires your metabolism and hormones every single day. It's the reason why your drive fades, your belly grows, and your mood starts to flatten out. So no, coffee isn't the enemy. It's just being used wrong. What your body really needs in the morning isn't another jolt, it's modulation. You need to guide your energy, not with it. You need something that cushions the caffeine hit, stabilizes your blood sugar, and creates an environment where your testosterone can actually thrive. Think of it like this. Plain coffee is like pressing the gas pedal without oil in the engine. It might start fast, but it's burning the system from the inside. But when you add the right natural ingredient, just a teaspoon, you're giving your body clean fuel, a buffer against stress, and a foundation for lasting energy that feels calm, confident, and powerful. It's not about more caffeine. It's about smarter chemistry. Because when your hormones are balanced, your focus sharpens, your mood lifts, and your vitality, yes, that kind of vitality, comes roaring back. In the next part, I'll show you the first of these natural fixes, the one I call the Clean Fuel Accelerator. It's the easiest change you can make to your coffee, and it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Let's get practical. Here's the first teaspoon hack that transforms your coffee and your energy. It's not sugar or milk. It's fat. I'm talking about high-quality MCT oil or clarified butter, also called ghee. This Clean Fuel Accelerator turns your coffee into a steady energy source, powering you for hours without the crash or jitters. Coffee alone burns glucose for quick energy, leading to a sudden crash. MCT oil is different. It goes straight to your liver, converting into ketones, a clean, long-lasting fuel for your brain and muscles. Think of caffeine as the accelerator and MCTs as premium gasoline. Combined, they provide sustained energy, keeping you sharp and alert. No more roller coaster energy, just calm, confident focus that lasts until lunchtime. My husband used to hit a wall every afternoon, grabbing another coffee or snack. After adding 1 teaspoon of MCT oil to his morning coffee, the crash disappeared. He was more productive and still had energy by evening. It tastes surprisingly good. Blend it for 10 seconds for a creamy, latte-like foam that's also filling. Beyond energy, this tweak stabilizes blood sugar, aids belly fat reduction, and improves insulin sensitivity, crucial for men over 50. It softens the caffeine hit, providing steady power, laser focus, and clear-headed drive. This is the first of 3 powerful 1 teaspoon fixes, perfect for all-day focus and metabolic control. But energy is only half the story. What about desire, that inner fire and confidence? If you've noticed that part of your life fading, the next teaspoon can bring it roaring back. It's ancient, natural, and so effective it once made me tell my husband to slow down. Let's talk about it next. Now, let's discuss the second teaspoon, the one that reignites your fire. Every man wants to feel that drive again, that spark of masculine power. Believe it or not, it starts in your morning coffee with maca root powder. It's been used for centuries in Peru by warriors and farmers to boost stamina, focus, and desire. Maca is an adaptogen, helping your body adapt to stress and balance hormones naturally. It gently lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that kills testosterone, allowing your body to make and use more testosterone. Maca helps your body rebalance its own hormones, stabilizing you to feel calm, steady, and powerful. Maca also wakes up the part of your brain linked to desire and motivation, that inner spark for life and the bedroom. When my husband added maca to his coffee, I just wanted to help his mood, but what happened next surprised us both. He started smiling more and working with more drive. By evening, he was much more energetic, a true life force. It tastes great with a warm, nutty, almost butterscotch flavor that blends beautifully with coffee, especially with MCT oil. Just 1 teaspoon a day can shift your internal chemistry toward balance, strength, and confidence. When your partner notices the change and asks, you'll smile, knowing it's just that simple morning habit. If your issue is physical aging, stiffness, or recovery, the next teaspoon might be even more important. It rebuilds your body from the inside out, something your system quietly begs for daily. Now, let's move to the third teaspoon, the one most men completely overlook, but it might be the most important of them all. It's not just about energy or hormones anymore. It's about structure, your joints, your gut, your recovery, the parts of you that quietly hold everything together. This teaspoon is pure collagen peptides. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that the stuff women use for skin and nails? Yes, but for men over 50, collagen is a vital building block. It's the glue that keeps you moving, healing, and performing. Collagen makes up your tendons, ligaments, muscles, and even your gut lining. But after about 40, your body stops making enough of it. That's when you start feeling it: sore knees, stiff back, slow recovery, and digestive issues. Coffee, especially on an empty stomach, can make that worse. But add a single teaspoon of collagen peptides into that coffee, and you change everything. It dissolves instantly. No taste, no texture, just invisible strength in your cup. Here's what it does. It helps repair your gut lining, reducing inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. It supports joint and muscle recovery, so you feel lighter and more flexible. It's packed with glycine, which improves sleep quality, and that means more overnight testosterone production. Better gut, better sleep, better hormones, all from one small scoop. When my husband started using this, the change was subtle at first. He just felt better, less stiff in the mornings. After a few weeks, his workouts improved, his digestion calmed, and his focus sharpened because his inflammation dropped. I tell my patients, if you want true male vitality, you can't just chase energy. You have to build a foundation, and collagen is that foundation. It keeps the engine stable so everything else can perform at its peak. Plus, it helps control appetite. If you drink your coffee with collagen and skip breakfast, you'll feel full for hours, without that mid-morning hunger crush. So if you're struggling with joint pain, gut discomfort, or restless sleep, this is your teaspoon. It's the quiet, steady builder that strengthens your body from the inside out. But here's what most men get wrong. They try to do all three of these hacks every single day. The real power isn't in doing more, it's in doing it strategically. Now that you know the three powerful 1 teaspoon hacks: MCT oil, maca root, and collagen peptides, let's talk about how to use them the right way. Most men think if one is good, 3 must be better. But that's not how your body works. The real magic happens when you cycle them, giving your system exactly what it needs at the right time. Think of it like tuning a car. Some days you need more horsepower, other days stability, and sometimes just maintenance. Here's the plan. Weekday focus, the Clean Fuel Accelerator. On busy mornings, add 1 teaspoon of MCT oil or ghee to your coffee for focus, stamina, and calm energy. This work mode formula keeps you sharp, centered, and productive until lunch. You'll feel clear, confident, and unshakably steady. Weekend drive, the Hormonal Shield. When you want to feel vibrant, social, and alive, mix in 1 teaspoon of maca root powder. Do this 2 or 3 days a week, especially before weekends or date nights. It restores that inner spark, the one that makes you feel like yourself again. Recovery and resilience, the gut-brain builder. If your goal is healing, better sleep, or a smoother digestion, use collagen peptides daily. This is your long game formula. It rebuilds your foundation, your joints, gut, and connective tissue, so you can keep performing at your best year after year. Now, here's the secret that separates average men from champions: consistency. One small, intentional ritual every morning signals to your body and brain that you're in control. That discipline builds momentum, and momentum builds confidence. When you start your morning with purpose, your day follows that same energy. So try this for 3 full weeks. Commit to it. You'll notice changes: steadier focus, smoother mood, deeper sleep, and that unmistakable spark of youthful energy coming back. And when your partner starts noticing too, when she says, "You look different," what's changed? Just smile and tell her, "It's the coffee." That's the beauty of this ritual. It's simple, natural, and puts you back in the driver's seat of your own vitality. You need smart, consistent habits. Just 1 teaspoon at a time. Tell me in the comments, which one are you starting with tomorrow morning? The Clean Focus Fuel, the Hormonal Spark, or the Long-Term Builder? I read every single one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with another man who still drinks plain coffee. No man over 50 deserves to feel drained before the day even begins. I'm Dr. Amelia Hayes, and remember, aging isn't about losing your fire. It's about learning how to feed it. Until next time, stay sharp, stay strong, and keep your mornings intentional.